Hello my dear viewers, welcome to Coding Solution. Today I'll be creating my 15th C program based on the decision loop, and the program is the continuation part of our ongoing series, all the programs which are based on the concept of decision and loops. So without wasting further time, let me start off just in the similar ways. Let's start an empty file, has to be saved in project. So let me rename it. 14 programs we have already made. So today what we will be doing, we will be making it as program 15.c. okay, so now the program would be, the program is basically we will be creating a program to count the digits of an integer. Suppose the user enters a digit as 1 2 3 4, okay, so the output of the program should come out to be 4, okay, as it contains only 4 digits. So the program title would be C program to count number of digits of an integer, okay. The author for the program would be Pawan Singh, and just start off in a similar ways. Just include the header file as has include stdio.h int main, okay. Now what we will be doing, we will be taking the integer from the user, and we shall, the concept is using the reiteration of loop, and we shall initialize the counter as 0, okay. So many a time people would be asking like when the counter should be initialized to 0 or when should it be initialized to 1. Actually there is no particular fixed rule to do the same. As you get along with the practice, I'm sure that you will be able to read that how to go on with the initialization. Suppose here we take an integer and it should not be initialized, uninitialized integer or the initialized integer. So in that case it will be getting up with the practice, okay. Enter an integer, okay. Just add scanf percentile d comma and n, okay. Now we will be using the while loop while the n not equals to 0. We will be reducing the value of the integer until it becomes 0. What shall we do, as the value of n will be equal to n divided by 10, okay, and plus plus count, it will count the value of integer. Printf the value of, or the number of digits of the integer is percentile d, and it will be count, okay. Now the return statement, return 0, and that's it. So why we will be doing this, let me tell you. Suppose I take an integer as 123. So now the first time when the 123 is divided by 10, okay, so the value will come out to be 12.3, or the division is possible, okay. So in that case first time the counter will be increased, okay. So now the next time when the value of counter will become as 1, then again the value of n is now 12.3. so in that case when 12.3 is divided by 10, the output will, again the value of n will change, then again the counter will increase. Now in that case the counter will come out to be 2, and then when again the value of n which is equal to 0, the remainder part will come out to be 0, then again this while loop is executed, and then again the value of n will be coming out to be 0. 0 divided by 10, then the output would be 0, and again the counter will be incremented. So in that case the counter of value comes out to be 3. So without wasting further time, let me try to run this program for you all, and run this. Scanf %d comma %n. What is the error? %d comma and n. Enter an integer, I guess. Oh, sorry, it should be this. Very silly mistake, I know. And let me try to run this. Enter an integer. Suppose I enter it as 14. The number of digits of the integer is 2. Very nice. Now again, shall I run this as 4 digits? 9, 5, 7, 8. The number of digits of the integer is 4. So you can see that every time, this is the pet loop, this is the redundant loop which can be used to find or count any values as per your need. So although the program doesn't employ a very huge amount of coding, but it is just for clearing up the concepts of what kind of things can be done in what kind of different ways. So that's it for this video. I hope you have liked it. In case you find any problem or any suggestion, kindly please comment in the comment section. I will be really glad to you all, and thank you once again for watching this video, and bye bye, have a nice day.